Hey guys, it's Benique Doll. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently getting ready, as you guys can tell. Steven and I are gonna go grocery shopping to H-E-B, and we're also gonna go check out Five Below, which is the store that just opened here in our little small town. So if you guys want to come with us, then please keep on watching. Guys, so this is my makeup. I didn't feel like wearing fake eyelashes, so I'm just gonna be like this. I think I'm gonna wear this.
Vámonos, butterfly.
You guys, Five Below just opened in our town. There's a bunch of people. But Steven and I are gonna check it out, see what we find. So we just got out of Below 5 and we bought a bunch of stuff. Five Below. Is that the name? Yeah. We bought a lot of stuff, which I'm gonna show you guys later once we get home. I spent $68, and then I also went to Bed Bath & Beyond because I had some coupons, and I only spent $15 there, surprisingly. But right now we're gonna go to H-E-B and grocery shop. So yeah, we're gonna go grocery shopping because we are hungry. We're probably gonna make something up for lunch. And I'll probably edit while Steven plays games like always. Oh, we're probably gonna do like a little thing, activity with the book. And then we'll do our own stuff since he doesn't like spending time with me. Well, last time I don't think we had enough fish. Yeah. I think it was like more caldo than fish. Steven's gonna make his fish soup super good. Which one are you gonna get? That catfish? Yeah. Hey guys, I am back. As you guys can tell, Steven and I just basically went to Five Below and to H-E-B to get some groceries. But I just kind of wanted to make a haul for you guys so you guys can kind of see what we bought. Oh yeah, and we also went to Bath and Body Works. So yeah, I'm gonna start my little haul. Okay, so the reason why we went to Bath and Body Works was because I had 3 coupons. One was for a free lotion, and this is a free lotion that I got. It's the one that you can put in your purse. There was also one coupon that said to get a lotion for $5 whenever the original price is $12.50. So I went ahead and got the same lotion, just in different size. But yeah, It's called White Jasmine, and it's a 24-hour moisture body lotion. So I'm probably going to use this one for my body. I also went ahead and got these two air fresheners from there with a coupon of 20% off. This one is called Champagne Toast, and this one is called Cactus Blossom. They both smell super good, guys, and I'm like obsessed, guys. I have like a little mini collection going on here. So that's that. I think that's everything that I got at Bath & Body Works. Now I'm going to show you guys what I got at Five Below. I went ahead and got this cute little insulated bottle carrier. I thought it was really cute. It has like little Hawaiian flowers on it. I love the print, and it has like this little pocket on the back where you can like put your keys or your money if you go to the gym. And I love that it has this little handle, just because sometimes like I get tired of carrying the water bottles. I don't know if it's just me or what, but I hate carrying like stuff in my hand that doesn't have like a handle like this. I feel like this is so much easier to carry around than an actual like water bottle. Not only that, but like whenever like you have a cold water bottle and it starts like sweating, you just have like water all over your hand, and I just hate that. So I decided to buy this. I'm going to be taking this to work with me. So yeah, I'm going to be using this a lot. It has a little zipper, and this one was $5, and it holds up to 26 ounces. I also went ahead and bought these makeup beauty sponges. I have never tried these, so I decided to go ahead and just give it a try. I like it because it has like a large, medium, and a small beauty sponge. I think this one was like $4 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I'm curious to see how these work because I have never tried one. So I don't know, we'll see if I like them or not. I also went ahead and bought silicone beauty sponges. These I have tried before. I used to have one from Ulta, but it got old and wrinkly, so I just threw it away. There's a pink one, a black one, and a purple one. This was only $5, and yeah, I haven't really opened the package to see how they feel, but hopefully they feel the same as the one from Ulta because I really like the one from Ulta. But yeah, I thought that was a really good deal. I also bought me some socks, these kind of socks, just because like it has a little picture here. Let me go ahead and show you guys. These socks come in handy a lot because I like to wear like little booties like these. These were only $5, and there's 5 pairs of socks. I also went ahead and bought me this brush cleaning pad. I've been needing to clean my brushes. As you guys can tell, they are super dirty. I haven't cleaned them in like a year. I know it sounds bad, but I think it's time because I'm starting to break out from my forehead. I don't know if that's just hormonal changes or the fact that my brushes are dirty. So I really needed one of these. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them tomorrow, and we'll find out how this little thing works. So just a little story. Steven decided to cancel my gym membership from Planet Fitness just because I didn't really go as much. He was paying for it, and I finally told him to go ahead and cancel it. And I'm starting to do my like own little gym here at home, and I don't really have too much stuff to work out with except for like my stationary bike, my jump rope, some free weights, and a yoga mat. But I think that's everything I need actually. But I decided to buy this little thingy. I didn't know what it was until I saw the picture on the package. So this is basically just to just kind of like pad your knees when you're doing leg raises like this. So yeah, this is definitely going to come in handy because I like doing those. So I also went ahead and bought these ankle weights. I've been needing some of these, especially to do some of these leg raises. These were only $5, I believe. Yeah, $5. And I think these are in the color blue. This kind of blue. I'm not sure. I haven't really opened them. But these are 4-pound weights. So I'm definitely going to be using these. I went ahead and bought Barbie a little dress. You guys know she's my baby, so I needed to buy her something. I'm probably gonna take her a shower tomorrow and put this one on her and take her a picture for her Instagram. If you guys don't follow her, go ahead and do so right now. I'll put the link down below in the description box, and I'll put it somewhere around here. I went ahead and bought this cute little black dress. It has a little hoodie on it. It's long sleeve, and I just thought it was really cute to just, you know, wear around the house or to run some errands in, and yeah, just to kind of be comfy and, you know, look cute at the same time. I also went ahead and bought this cute little yoga outfit in the color purple. I haven't tried it on yet either, but I think it'll fit. The top looks like this. I got it in size medium, I believe. Yeah, size medium. This was $5. And I got the bottoms as well, the same color. This is in a size small, and this was also $5. And I like that it has like little pockets on the side. Hopefully it's not see-through, but we'll see. But yeah, I got me a little exercise outfit, and I found these two books there. They were both $5 each. This one really caught my attention because of the color. You guys know this is like my favorite color. And Steven and I went ahead and picked up this one. It's called Me, You, Us, a book to fill out together. At HEB, I also bought some things for myself. I went ahead and bought this 10 Miracle Leave-In Keratin spray for my hair. I don't know if it's just stress or what, but my hair has been like constantly falling like crazy. Yeah, I noticed that I'm going bald. I don't know if it's just me or my imagination, but I feel like I have a bald spot somewhere around here. Anywho, I decided to buy this with keratin to help my hair grow, hopefully. I just decided to try whatever. This was actually pretty expensive. This was almost $40. But yeah, that's that. What else did I buy? I bought some lipsticks, which I don't know where I have those at. Let me go get them. So these are the two lipsticks I bought at HEB. They are from the brand Maybelline, and they are Super Stay matte lipsticks. I usually stick with the same color scheme. As you guys can tell, these are pretty much identical to each other, except this one's like more of a pink color. It has like more of a pink tint to it, and this other one, it has a little bit more of a brownish tint to it. I used to buy Too Faced lipsticks. However, these were like super expensive. These were only like $7 each, and they were actually on sale. It was like buy one get the other one 50% off. So I got a good deal on these, and I love that they stay on for like the whole 8 hours, which is something that I need because I'm constantly either eating or drinking something. I also bought this phone mount for either taking selfies, watching movies, or overall just making videos for you guys. This was also $5. And last but not least, I bought a bed for my two little dogs. Alright guys, so that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. I have more vlogs coming up, so you guys stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!